People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, right now I'm going to talk about an incident that happened at the Arden Extension High School, where we had a little girl basically juke a 7th grade boy in his back multiple times, right, with one of those, those combs that you see in your standard hairdresser. Most people have them in their homes, right, and I guess females walk around with them to do their hair, and she basically juke him in her back multiple times to the point where the young man no longer has any feelings in his legs. So I'm going to let you hear from the boy's family's lawyer that they recruited, right? And then I get back to you with my commentary. And this one, I'm going to give you a complete different spin. I'm going to look at it from an angle that a lot of people might not be expecting. So let's listen to QC Valenita Robinson describe what happened. And then again, as I said, I'll come back with my commentary.
Well, there was an issue in the class, and the young lady stabbed him with a metal tail comb. You know those tail combs with the long metal handle? Okay, so I think she stabbed him one time, and it didn't penetrate his shirt. He had walked away, and she stabbed him again. But the serious part of it is that the tail comb penetrated his back. He had to undergo a spinal operation with a CT scan, and he had to undergo an operation to remove it. So he wasn't having any sensation in his leg. But since today, I'm told that he still can't walk, stand up, but he's having sensations in his toes, and he's able to bend the left foot, which was the one he couldn't move before. So I'm very hopeful. Family was upset over how the matter was being dealt with. We know it is children, but they felt that the school should have rallied to the assistance of the injured child in a more fulsome way than they did. So they're not really looking towards any legal action or anything like that, but we believe that some assistance should have been forthcoming. Why would a 13-year-old child have a metal comb to take to school? What you doing with a metal comb? That is so dangerous. Those are not things that you take to school. So we see that there should be something in place to sensitize children and parents that these things can happen at school. So, facilitate it.
So there you have it, people. Now, before I go into what I'm saying, let me just say this. Based on the response I'm seeing in the public or even on social media, if this was the other way around and it was the boy who jerked the girl in her back till she lose feelings in her leg, trust me, you will not be hearing the end of it. But that's for another day, right? Let's look at what actually happened here. Now, when I first got this story and I was speaking to people I know about this story, they were all saying the same thing. Oh, them pitney are bad, or them pitney are out of control, them pitney are this and them pitney are that. Pitney nowadays and pitney nowadays. Let me ask the Jamaican people something. Let me ask the whole Jamaican. A matter of fact, even if you're a part of the diaspora and you're abroad, let me ask you something. Where would children learn to de-escalate situations like this? We're in Jamaica. Does Jamaica have a culture of de-escalating situations? Come on, talk to me. Children are nothing more than sponges. They soak up what they see. They soak up what they hear. So if them live in a society where one bad drive can equal to man get liquor dash in him face and then the next man gets juke up 17 times and then the next man who not nothing to do with it end up lose him life, what are they going to do? Grow up and become saints? Grow up and become humanitarians? Come on, let's look at ourselves as a nation. See, because that's the thing, It's easy for everybody to go, oh, look at them. Look at them bad pitney. Where are these children being raised? On Mars? On Jupiter? They're being raised in Jamaica. In their homes, they don't see people de-escalate situations. In their communities, they don't see people de-escalate situations. In their parish, in their country, they don't see people de-escalating situations. So why would children grow up and become a bunch of pacifists? Why would they grow up and whenever they have some kind of dispute, they go, oh, let's sit down and reason this out like big people, when big people don't do that? Where them to learn that? Right? This little girl, she's a byproduct of Jamaican society. Come on, talk to me, people. Talk to me. She's only doing what she see on a daily basis. How can children raised amongst warmongers supposed to grow up to become peacemakers? Please, stop the nonsense. It's far too easy to go, oh, them pitney nowadays. Do you want me to pull up Jamaica's crime statistics? How far back do you want me to go? Early 2000s, 90s, 80s, how far back you want to go? Remember the last time I did that video going right back to 1980? Right? Late 70s. Why are people acting like it's them pitney nowadays that mash up Jamaica? These children are inheriting the seeds that were sown decades ago. Come on, talk to me. Come on, people, you should already be in the comment section. I said Jamaican children are inheriting the seeds that were sown decades ago. Why everybody act like say, oh, we've all, and I notice I'm saying we, because one thing nobody cannot accuse me of is that I don't stand on no pedestal and act like I'm more righteous than anybody. This is one of the few channels where you get the person speaking as if he's a part of the population. Everybody loves to stand on pulpits and pontificate as if they play no role whatsoever and they're not a part of the society. I'm a part of Jamaican society too. Tell me, what culture did we leave behind for these children? What do you mean them pitney nowadays bad? What, the ones that came before them were good? Because we can pull up the numbers, you know. Stop acting like these children, right, are coming out of situations where they're straying from the foundation that has been laid into them. Them days are done long time. Jamaican children, especially the ones that are growing up right now, right, they are not the source or the cause of Jamaica's problem. They are simply new branches on the tree. What people mean by them pitney and mash up Jamaica? Jamaica mash up a long time. What do you mean, pitney and mash up Jamaica? This little girl, this is probably what she see in her yard. This is probably what she see from her parents, her auntie and her uncle them. Remember when the little boy walk off? So in this situation, the boy was the one who was being was trying to de-escalate. Him walk off, juke him, and she still go back or juke him again. To the point where him lose feeling in him foot. So let's hope this youth can come back. Let's hope he recovers and make a full recovery, because the fact that him can't feel in him foot, that tells me that there's some kind of injury to the spine. Right? And as a youth, as a boy, that is detrimental to him. Right? Well, it's detrimental to anybody, but a man who has no use for his back or his legs, listen, we can only hope. Right? We can only hope for the best for the youth. And obviously the family has already retained a lawyer, so I'm guessing the little girl family is going to have to pay some money. But people, I'm sorry, I can't do the easy way. The easy way is them pitney nowadays. Please, show me the foundation that was left for them. Show me the foundation of peace and reason and logic and settling disagreements through conversations that these children inherited. Can somebody show me that? Even here on YouTube, in this little digital space, just something Just by looking in my comment section, it's like a microcosm of Jamaica society. If my comment section was a room full of people, enough people end up in the hospital. Some of the back and forth I see people having in my comment section, I'm like, man, if people were speaking to each other in face to face, who knows where this would go, right? So this little boy, as I said, I really hope him bounce back, right, and he recovers fully from this. The little girl, I don't know the law set up in terms of children, and because she's clearly under the age, when they try like an adult. So something needs to come out of this, because we can't say, oh well, she young, so no, something needs to come out of it. I don't think she will get fling way, right? Don't horizon forever until like kingdom come. But again, her actions, children need to, even though they're young, need to learn their actions or their consequences for your actions. She needs to learn that. And her family obviously already start pay up a bag of money, and they need to pay up a lot more, right? But please stop the pitney nowadays and pitney much. No. Stop, please. These children are being used as scapegoats. They are not the root. They are the branches. They are the leaves. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless up.